Here, you begin to diversify your portfolio beyond stocks and shares, and you can look to real estate and bonds. So kind of as I already talked about in stage 4, in stage 5, you can start buying some property, you can start buying some assets, once again, as I said, even like hotels. But I would say that that's more sort of stage 6, where it's like, now you really have some proper, real fun money to play around with. But I'll tell you one interesting thing, even bonds, I had zero interest. I didn't even look at bonds until I had at least an 8-figure investment portfolio. And even at that point, it was still a couple years until I invested in bonds. It was only once bonds were yielding 5, 6, sometimes even 6.5%, depending on their rating. But I can tell you that in October, November 2023, I bought a crazy amount of bonds. And if you told a version of me that was in stage 4 investing, oh, you'll be investing into bonds, my opinion was always like, oh, that's so boring. Why would I do that? And that's because in stage 5, a lot of it is risk management, making sure that you preserve your wealth, making sure that you have some riskier plays, but you also have some defensive plays. And to me, bonds are always a defensive play. It's always like, okay, let's make sure what we have here is safe. So, ladies and gentlemen, I gave you some beginner concepts, and I even gave you some of my personal experience a little bit further down the line, so you can kind of see where this journey might take you and where you can end up as an investor.